Let's face it, the world of drug research, development, and manufacturing can be complicated, which is why at Cytiva, whether you see us or not, we help to move your project from discovery to delivery. With innovative solutions for biological research, vaccine and biologic drug manufacturing, and the production of novel cell and gene therapies, we're there, ready to happily elevate your efforts. When you need a helping hand, Cytiva is always closer than you think. From downstream bioprocessing to upstream thinking, we collaborate to expedite your work as safely and as easily as possible. We help customers to scale up, overcome challenges, and meet new demands. And at the end of the day, you can sleep easy knowing that your processes and projects are in good hands. At Cytiva, we understand the reality of your world because we're in it with you, right by your side.